Need to use WhatsApp online without installing it? MyAndroid and Uptodown make it possible. With this simple method, you can run WhatsApp directly from your browser, no downloads, no hassle. Here's how it works. First, visit Uptodown, search for WhatsApp, and download the APK file. Uptodown is secure, fast, and lets you access apps without Google Play restrictions. Next, go to MyAndroid, your cloud-based Android emulator. Upload the WhatsApp APK, click Run, and watch as WhatsApp launches instantly, just like on a phone. Now, sign in, verify your number, and start messaging. Send texts, share media, make calls. It's a full WhatsApp experience, all online. This is perfect for managing multiple accounts, testing apps, or accessing WhatsApp from any device, anywhere. No installations, no limits, just pure convenience. Try MyAndroid and Uptodown today and take WhatsApp to the next level.